Hey guys, welcome back. Today I have this makeup look. It's going to be a get ready with me style video, very chill, perfect for fall. So if you're interested, let's jump in. All right, starting off keeping those lips hydrated, I'm taking the new e.l.f. CBD lip oil. This is a perfect lip oil. It smells like vanilla mint, super good. Gonna keep them nourished and hydrated. Love it. Then I'm gonna go in with Smashbox primer oil just to put this all over my skin for, again, a really nice hydrated look. I'm obsessed with using facial oils. So bomb. So I'm just going to make sure that this is evenly blended into the skin, and it feels so good. Now to prime up those pores that are visible, I'm going to be taking the Makeup Forever Skin Equalizer, just a little bit to pop into the T-zone area of my skin, just so that's all locked up and the pores are non-visible and it is mattified. Today I decided to mix two of my favorite foundations. We're taking the Too Faced Born This Way and the NYX Born to Glow foundation, and I'm going to have shades and all of that listed below for you, so check there. But I'm just going to go ahead and evenly distribute this all over the skin, blending it down to the neck as well, and using this beauty sponge to do so. I'm obsessed with complexion, okay, you guys? Like, I'm applying this and I was just like loving how therapeutic this was. I know that sounds a little crazy, but yeah, just for like these chill looks, like I just love focusing on the skin. You can of course use these on their own. They're gorgeous on their own. I just personally like to mix my foundations, and I think the coverage and complexion looks that much better as well. I hope you guys do like these kind of chill get ready with me's. I'm obsessed with fall makeup right now, obviously, but I just love sitting down, doing my makeup, turning the camera on, and just keeping it super chill. So I hope you guys do like that. For a little bit of concealing, I'm taking the L'Oreal Full Wear Concealer, and I'm going to pop that underneath my eyes, to the sides of my eyes, as well as, the nose, forehead, all of those areas. I'm going to evenly blend that in the exact spot that I placed it in, and I'm going to blend it in with the sponge. Favorite concealer for the bridge of the nose is the LA Girl Pro Conceal. This is in Creamy Beige. I'm going to do it on the sides of the nose as well as the bridge, and this is kind of like a reversed contour, I guess you would say. So I like to do that before I go in with any type of contour. So I'm going to do that, apply a little bit to the under eyes as well, because why not, and blend that in. So today I wanted to keep things a little bit more subtle on the cheeks, so I'm taking the e.l.f. Cream Contour, and I'm going to be using both those shades with a sponge and blending that into the contour areas of my cheeks in this like stamping, stippling motion, just so it really melts into the skin and looks like a natural bronze. And I actually didn't do too much with the contour today. I kind of kept it just like this with a little bit of bronzer over top, just to kind of keep it a little bit natural, and it's like your cheeks naturally have that bronzed glow coming from within. I just absolutely love that look, and I think it is gorgeous. To keep the concealer in place, I'm going to be using my favorite powder, the Laura Mercier Translucent Powder. I'm going to pop that underneath my eyes, sides of the nose, a little bit by the chin and forehead, and brush the remaining away. To contour up the nose and cheek area a little bit for more bronzer, I'm taking the Benefit Hoola Bronzer. This is an oldie but a goodie, and I'm going to be contouring up my nose, the sides of it. And then I will also go in with a fluffy brush and use this same bronzer on my cheeks, just to kind of set down the contour that we placed down before, and just to amplify the shade just a little bit. And I really do love the shade of this. I haven't used it in a bit, but I'm hooked again. I think it is super natural looking and very gorgeous. I'll also go in with a little bit of the Laura Mercier Soleil 1 bronzer and just kind of tap over and just add a little bit more warmth to the skin. I absolutely love this bronzer. Moving into the eyes, I'm going to be using the NARS Soft Matte Concealer to go ahead and prime up our lids. I don't always use a concealer like this to go ahead and prime the lids, but when I am priming it up, I am using a concealer over an actual eyeshadow primer. I just think it works better, looks better. Prime it up, and this will also help conceal while doing so. Taking Maybelline Glass Spray, I'm going to give my face a quick spritz. This is going to help with the hydration and glowy look on the skin. For eyeshadow today, I'm going to be taking this little palette from e.l.f. This is called the Pumpkin Pie Little Palette, and I'm going to be taking this deeper shade, and I'm going to run that starting off with the crease, but then I decided to go ahead and put it all over the eyes, kind of as a wash of color. I do start off in the crease, build my way up, and then you'll see I do kind of amplify it and make it for the entire eye. I feel like these makeup looks are so simple, but so achievable. Like even for the everyday, I think even just this wash of color on the lids looks super stunning. You just can't go wrong with like a really nice like fall eye look like this. I think it is gorgeous. So you can totally amp this up to be your own and, you know, make it more heavy glam or whatnot. But I think this is stunning and I'm actually really obsessed with this palette. Such good pigment. I'm going to then take a smaller brush and that same shade and run it down to the lower area of my eye just to kind of connect the two and make it more seamless and smoked. Taking an angled brush and this deeper brown shade from that little palette, I'm going to be using this to create a shadow wing. Now, I don't always do wings, but when I do, I feel like the only way that I like doing them is using it with shadow. I think it's a lot softer, soft glam type of look. And then I'm going to go ahead and take the Milk Makeup brown gel eyeliner and the other side that has a little smudger brush as well. I'm going to start off using the gel eyeliner to kind of go over that line we just did very lightly and just making it a little bit deeper in tone. And then we will take that little smudgy section and smudge. We'll have that softened effect there, but it's just a little bit deeper and I love it. I'm taking it pretty high because when we do our lashes in the end, I feel like you won't even like see it too much. So I am going to be going a little bit more than I would normally. So I'll get back to the eyes in a few. We're going to jump into highlighting the skin. I'm going to be taking Lancome highlighter, and again, names will be below. I'm going to start off doing it very lightly. I'm kind of going for more of a glowing from within type of highlight. So I'm going to be starting off kind of slow and then building my way up. Of course, I do like a glowy overall look, but I'm going to kind of keep it a little bit more on the toned down side. So you can of course do however you would like. I'm going to do the nose, a little bit on the bridge, the cupid's bow, the cheekbones. For a little bit of blush, I'm going to be taking the Honest Beauty Lit Powder Blush. Has a little bit of like illuminating kind of look to it as well, which is really pretty. I'm going to pop that on the apples of my cheeks, but I'm also going to be moving it in an upwards motion, kind of where we have our contour and highlighter marrying the three together. I just think that the upwards look uplifts the face and it's super, super gorgeous and gives a really flush look. For the eyes, I'm popping on my favorite Salon Perfect 614 lashes for that natural wispy effect. And then we're going in with the new L'Oreal. This is their Air Volume Mascara. I absolutely love it. It is so good. The wand on here is pretty thick and it's just the perfect like amount of mascara you would want. I never even had to dip in twice. For my lips, I went in with a little bit of a nude cocktail. I started off with the KKW Beauty Nude Liner. I'm going to pop that all over my lips, line them up, fill it in just a little bit. It is a beautiful, deeper brown nude. I've used this so many times, but it's like the perfect kind of deeper brown. Taking my favorite MAC lipstick. This is the Honey Love lipstick. I use this all the time, but I think it really completes any look, especially for fall, with this whole new little combination we have going on. So I'm going to pop that there, fill out my lips together, and then I will be going over top with a beautiful gloss. We're going to be taking the Maybelline Lifter Gloss in the shade Stone. Such a pretty nude, deeper nude kind of color, and I think it's perfect for this look. And then to top off the whole look, which I forgot to do before, I'm taking a nude eyeliner to run in my inner waterline to help brighten up the eyes and make everything look seamless. And once I've done that, that pretty much completes this look. This is like my little get ready with me for fall. I just wanted to sit down, kind of just chill, do my makeup, and just keep it really simple, yet cute for fall. So I hope you guys did enjoy it. And thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.